Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV, me blood clot.
This man over TikTok a go on with himself, me. Them say everybody use TikTok for a different reason. Him is not a ranker, obviously. Hear him, watch man him. In the pan TikTok a look woman. How for father this year? And guess what, no? Somebody a tell him, you know, say, man, you picking them see up on the internet, you know. You need to hear him remarks. Hear what him a say. You need to hear what him a say, because somebody go tell himself, man, him picking them see up on the internet. Because this is a whole worldwide and everybody go see him. The man not care. The man look at woman. But you know what? I'm not saying nothing because somebody probably see this and hear him or did I watch him and run up in him inbox already. So tell me what you think, yeah? Don't forget to like and share the videos. Big up my subscribers. And welcome all new subscribers again. Welcome on board. Wait, me have said this before me go. For somebody we can't find one woman in a real life, hear him. I just say I don't have no woman in the boy, him do one this and him do one that. I just say you don't have no woman, sir.
Here, ladies, I don't want to see no ear pan nobody pum pum. I'm a wine. And lady, if me and you go out, my intent is to fuck you. Yeah. Me no want, you don't have to tell me everything there. When me a chat to you, all the on my mind is for ram out your hole. Yes. When me carry out a woman, me a tell you about me now. When me carry out a lady, I pum pum more. Yep. And your crutches more. More take off your jaws, more fuck you. Yeah, lady? Yeah. Me no one of them man that was shy. Me I will tell you from now. Me no depend it. Me I carry you out, admire you, look for you. More you put all your hand on my chest. I grab up all my chest them and you can't do them things. You can't touch me. And me say touch me that me. And you know hear me call you bold and beautiful. You can't look me. Anybody picture I'm go up on, I'm going to map you out, I'm going to call you bold and beautiful. You can't look me. When I hear me call you sister, don't look me. Hey, you ever say, sister, big up, don't look me, please, don't look me. And everybody for me and me enough for everybody. Let me repeat it. Everybody is not for me and I'm not for everybody. When I hear me have a label, me not diss nobody. Me not diss nobody. When I call a lady, hello, bold and beautiful, I would fuck you. More ram out your hole because my woman have you. More ram you, more suck out your tongue, more bite up your titty, more bite up your crush up belly where you have 10 pitney. Yeah, because I find you attractive. When you hear me call you, hey sister, good night sister, good night my sister, don't look me. Please, may I beg on it easy, man. Sister mean we're related. Don't mind. Sister mean me know why you talk dirty to me. Me know why you tell me what kind of jobs I have had. Me know why you tell me how man I do you. Nobody bet. Me know why hear that all gross me out. I'm a Virgo. Me pick and choose. When me hear me say, Lord, bold and beautiful. Me just imagine I turn your back you and ram out your bumbo clock. Yes, so me I tell you no. I remember saying, because I don't want to go out. Lord, him go on like him not. Yes, me nice to us. And I'm very attractive. But me no more than nobody, and nobody no more than me. You know what I mean? Alright, listen now. When me say, I boy, look at all I want to know. See how much time she have fatigue me. You think me now watch her, the red face one with the whole heap of ear. And she not give me now. She would never come give me the fuck if she there far enough. And be a mackerel on social media. Them now look by you and come say, come stab out my belly now, not tell nobody. Me not talk. Me not talking. And ladies, me chat enough for you, so. But if you give me the fuck, me not talk. God, I mean it, God no, I don't lie, me I tell me ball. Me not talk. You can't give me the fuck, me not talking. A whole heap of people me fuck and me not talk. Whole heap. Me a beg you can't give. You don't have to tell me need I don't call me single. You can't just say, I like how you sound, give me a backers. But you have to suck up my breast them, bite up my neck and arouse me. And more fuck you. Yeah, honestly, more fuck you. Yeah, I'm not talking. The bumbo clock me for talk. I ain't gonna sweep me more you fuck me again. Me nah go blood clot talk of that me say. But here the one I know. Everybody is not for me and I'm not for everybody. Some girl I look straight nose boy with whole heap of ear, my ear all I go with right now. Then my grey them I come out from my head. Me I go die them out no, but it's what it is. Me can't fuck everybody can't fuck me. No. But look one and two I can do it. I can make it happen no. I wanna go on sir. Me never fuck nobody have them pum pum in the jar yet. Me never get no pum pum and me no girl never give me them all and when them gone. Them say Lord me leave the pum pum in the yard no. Me ram out your hole and you're gone. And you're gone with your hole. And you can't go home and say, Lord, you did that. Oh, you did go on so. Thirsty. Me say, baby, because you knew. You knew. That's cool, no? So me now get it back. Oh, me I go think about it. Please, man, come give me back, man. You can't do that. Me love them thing there, you know. Me love private rendezvous. Yeah, I'm not that ugly. See, when I put I'm not that ugly. I'm smell good. Ladies, I'm going to put almonds powder on my crotches. I'm going to shave off my crotches. Me not no white hair down there. Because the white, the grey hair, them come on my crotches. And me not make nobody see that. Me not make no man suck my balls and say, but Lord, you holy. You have grey hair on your balls. No, so I scrape them off. Nobody not know. Honestly, nobody not know. I don't want a lady to give me the pum pum and you just lay down so. No, come out, go your yard. Go your bumbo clot yard. More hear people talk to me, daddy. More you talk, call me daddy. I like them thing, they turn me on. But so take it out of me and bite up on my chest. More choke you. More spit in your mouth and then kiss you. More suck out your tongue. If you have indenture, I take it out and put it one away. More suck out your tongue. More you talk to me. If you don't talk, don't look me. More tell you straight. If you don't talk, don't look me. Move on a bumbo clot who not talk. I never take a dummy yet. More the lady talk to me. More you tell me say, alright, don't come. More you say, don't come yet. But more you full up my belly, but don't come yet, Obi. Don't come yet. Me now why? Just dig it out. When me I come, you say, don't come. More you talk to me, man. Encourage me, no. I read it not big, you say, oh, be it full up my belly, Jesus. Oh, God. You dip on social media, say you feel good in my belly. The blood clot, girl, me can't come. Because you motivate my mind. For you fuck up my mind, girl, me love you. More you can't say, Lord, oh, be come make it a touch my neighbor. Stay right there, so blood clot, girl. Hey, a murder in your belly bottom. When me I come now, more you give me one of this. You can't come in there because I just give you one youth. If it come, it come. I leave the water them. Blood clot, girl. All you, my buy oxtail gear. I give your phone, girl, I pay all your phone bill. But me don't want a girl when I talk. Don't do that. Me hate you. Me don't like you. The one that I talk, go back to earth. Hey, me don't want to get rude around here. Who not chat and rape? That a blood clot premeditated rape. More you talk to me. Tell me things. More you say bite me titty them. Grab on my nipple them. Blood clot catty. And any woman who ever touch them nipple and suck them breasts and them belly no go in and them no go so. Girl, come out of my house. You're a demon. You're a monster. Bill you. No, girl. I can't have my tongue bite up your titty and I have all my tongue in your crush up navel. I'm going to see your navel sinking, your belly sinking, and your mouth goes, girl, go away. You're a monster. Move from here. Go away. Go from here. Lord clot, do now, no. I want a monster thing you used to. I'm more at a woman me can bite in her ear. If you know your ear cell sour, lady, take it off as I come around me. If the wig sour, take off the wig. Because me a phobia, me a September Virgo, me over clean, me a neat freak. I'm a neat freak, me have OCD. Ladies, brush on the teeth, take out the maca, mat out on the eye, look up in on the nose, if the booger in on the nose. Lady, me a warn on me not like odor, me not like woman arm stink. Tell me I make me wipe it out and spray some perfume under there. Brush your teeth. Make sure no matter in your eye. Make sure no booger up in your nose. Baby, me look for everything part woman. Something wrong with me. Me have phobia. Me have serious phobia. Yes. I me don't want nobody with no steel wig. If you have on the wig, you can take it off when you come. Put it down more and smell a natural Vaseline here. Me alright with that. Yeah, me don't want no ear where for make my face bump up. You have the ear too long and you don't want to take it off because it make you cute. If you bump up my face, me hate you. If you bump up my face, me hate you. Alright. More smell the ear oil, the Vaseline in your ear or the ear food in your ear. You can't take off the wig because you're one. And it's sour. Not for the wig sour. Yeah, it's sour. Me don't want to smell that. Me a big man now. Me don't want to smell nobody sour wig. Come like a man. You don't want to see me I take off a underpants and it dip on the bed and it's sour. You have to scan me. A dirty boy that. See me? Alright. So anyway, I love you all. Me I go run. I'm O'Brien, and I'm me single little while. I'm still single now. See there, me alone upon the bed. Me single little while, I'm single now. Who want look me can't look me. My number goes as follows. Me I call it in a 3 increment. Cause TikTok will bad me. The area code is 347. Alright, when you get that, when you take the number, ladies, I who want send my pum pum picture. Who can send me? Me not talk. You can show me how the pum pum look. I love that. You can show I'm like the titty, Lord God. If anybody have the piercing on the titty, just give me a one pitching titty in the night. Just go say chip chip. Just send that come give me. I like the piercing through the titty. Lord God, what you mean now? Wait till you pick them see this pan. No man, them not gonna see this. Them not for watch me. Them know that. Them know better. My son and my daughter. I tell them don't come for my life. Don't watch my life. Don't do not like that. Don't do that. So any lady want to show me the I'ma like the big nipple them. So if you do it drop, you just put your hand and hold it up so and take a one picture. That mean it looks stiff to me. I'm gonna say. I say yeah, brother. I say your breast stiff. I want to know, me soon dead gone the whole away. Me have 30 more years and I'm gone. Me don't know about who have 200 years. I 3 score and 10 God say. Me have 50. So me have 30 more years. You don't allow me. Who don't want to live go hide. Me not hide. Me not the passport picture. See the whole of my body here. See how my foot here. See the whole of me here. Me don't want to feel a half a foot, a half a head. See the whole of me here. And look how boy chest strong. I don't want this. Somebody don't want to come put on them big head pan this. But take off the wig if it's sour though. More the natural ear with the Vaseline in your ear. And go that alone more smell. And you lay down on my chest or something. Radam. Yeah. I'm like the girl them. Yeah. No, I'm not spread out the sheet. I spread out like sheet. Oh, I spread out like sheet. Yeah. I say I'm alone upon the bed. And ladies, a jungle I come from. Yeah, I come from Arnett Garden. I don't come from Cherry Garden. I don't come from the Portmore. I don't come from the Manor Park. I don't come from the Zany Garden. I come from somewhere. My teeth light. My teeth light. My teeth, I have water. I sell buckle when I grew up. I sell buckle. Me eat whole heap of dumpling and butter. Yeah. I sell buckle for cook. I climb ackee tree and pick ackee. Yeah. I drink soursop leaf, I drink mango leaf tea, I drink ackee leaf tea, I drink lime leaf tea, and look for me. Yeah, I know all the things I'm born uptown. I jungle my born with them gunshot fire every day. Every day gunshot a fire. Every day. And I grew up and know when the toothpaste done, my mother don't dash it away, she cut it, and I scrape it out and put it down back and brush your teeth. That's why teeth so pretty. Watch it now, and the cut toothpaste, look at it. And the cut toothpaste this. So I don't want to feel I grew up rich. My mother never have car. My mother sell a market. In a market my mother sell. My mother don't sell in an arcade. Now for the mother sell a market, on the walk and tell people say, on the mother Igla, where Pernell Charles, a clothes your mother sell. My mother never go to Small Island go buy nothing. She go to Coronation Market, go buy skelly and thyme, pepper, tomato, yam, banana, plantain come sell. Me not tell no lie. Me not. Alright? I'm late tonight like him think me a mass. Yeah, man. So it is what it is. I am me. Yeah, I'm looking a wife. Cause I'm tired for single. I don't want a special wife. I don't want the best wife. I just want a sexy woman. I love sexy woman. And if you're not, if you're sexy, I have 100 people, I still want you. Alright? I want somebody who I can relate to, who is very attractive. I love attractive people. So anyway, people, I'm here. Hope you all are enjoying you. Have a good night. I love you all, ladies. Catch you up next time.